muscle gain diet. While calories and macronutrients are important, the ideal gym diet will be one that positively influences health. This is a diet that is rich in vitamins and minerals, where all three macronutrients are consumed and nutrient-sparse foods are restricted. 8 Rules for Proper Muscle Building Nutrition. Rule number 1, you need to eat at least 6 meals a day. Muscle building means a calorie surplus. Eat at least 6 small meals a day. Try and eat something small every 2 to 3 hours. A regular intake of calories prevents the body from going into breakdown mode. Rule number 2, avoid simple carbohydrates. Avoid simple carbohydrates, often known as bad carbohydrates, for example the sugar in fruit juice and honey. A nutrition plan for muscle building should always focus on the supply of complex carbohydrates. These carbohydrates are processed slowly, keeping blood sugar levels stable and supplying the body with energy long-term. Rule number 3, balanced meals with proteins and carbohydrates. It is important to get the right balance of nutrients in your meals. Make sure that each meal consists of high-quality carbohydrates and around 30 grams of protein. Whole grain products, oatmeal and rice are ideal. Get your protein from chicken, beef, fish and eggs. Rule number 4, essential fatty acids are your secret weapon. A healthy diet for muscle building should be supported with essential fatty acids. Too many of the bad fats will lead to a decline in physical and mental performance potential long-term. Valuable fatty acids can be found in olive oil, coconut oil, nuts and low-fat fish. Rule number 5, nutritional supplements for muscle building. As part of your recommended diet for muscle building, proteins, carbohydrates and fats, as well as dietary supplements play an important role. An additional intake of dietary supplements can optimize muscle building processes. Rule number 6, pre- and post-workout meal. Your energy reserves need constant replenishment before and after exercise to give you enough energy during your workout and after. Pre-workout meal. A pre-workout meal should consist of complex carbohydrates and protein. A combination of 300 grams of quark with 100 grams of berries about 1 hour before your workout is ideal. This equates to about 250 kilocalories, 2 grams fat, 21 grams carbohydrates and 37 grams protein. A quick alternative is a protein shake with whey protein and a banana. Post-workout meal. After your workout, your energy stores need quick and effective replenishment to prevent nutrient deficiencies and loss of muscle mass. Your body needs a sufficient supply of protein and fast carbohydrates within 30 minutes of completing a workout. Post-workout meals, like a homemade shake made of quark, bananas and milk, offer a quick supply of energy. A protein shake, with fruit juice, and a banana is a suitable alternative. Another meal 60 to 90 minutes after exercising is a good idea if you are on a protein-rich muscle-building diet. This meal should consist of high-quality protein sources like low-fat fish, meat or egg whites, as well as complex carbohydrates from whole wheat pasta, potatoes or oatmeal, etc. Rule number 7, don't forget to stay hydrated. The ability for your muscles to regenerate effectively is promoted by a sufficient intake of fluids. Regardless of your goals, whether you're trying to build muscles or define them, water is the nutrient for your body. Drink 2 to 3 liters a day. We recommend 1 liter more on workout days to compensate for the fluid lost during exercise. Rule number 8, say goodbye to hunger pangs. A well-planned muscle-building diet usually includes the required amount of daily calories. Without a calorie surplus, your muscles cannot grow consistently. Avoid hunger pangs. Eat a meal as soon as you get hungry. Tip: a protein shake before bed promotes the regeneration and growth of your muscles. Things that matters. Sleep for 7 to 8 hours. Dedication: do not skip workouts. What works best for you? Do let us know your comment below, and if you like the content of this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.